Set some levels, set some levels. Levels are good. Levels are good. What's good, man? It's your boy E coming at you with some finance solutions on this Monday morning. Hey, um, price action is looking kind of similar to last year, bro. I'll give you an example really quick. All right, so here's the high up here. I think it's what 4,600, right? Something like that. Okay. Right now we're at the end of November, going into December. Right. Same thing happened here. Looking bullish going into the end of the year. Look, this is 2022, late November. Looking bullish. All right. Came up and hit 4,100, rejected, pulled back, retested again, rejected harder, and just sold off in December. All right. Just a couple bearish days, just bearishness for like a week. And then we basically consolidated for the rest of the year. Not saying that's what's gonna happen, but the setup was definitely there. You feel me? And as I remember last year, see something, yeah. As I remember last year, December was bearish, bro. It's looking like it could be almost the same setup. And then, keep in mind you're gonna have people, getting out of positions for various reasons. You know what I'm saying? Like tax harvesting and all that stuff. Only to buy back in the beginning of the year. I mean, we could see that same setup. Not saying that's what's gonna happen, but it's definitely something to be aware of, in my opinion. So look, gap down, pre-market lows, pre-market highs. Probably going to be more than likely the range that we trade in today. I mean, seems like we might open uh, near the low, which means it would probably be favorable to buy the dip, especially looking at this little gap right here. Let's see what happens. I mean, market's about to open. I don't know. Let me get some levels set up real quick. Looks like Meta could is setting up for that rip off the open. Might take a stab at that. Let me get my pre-market levels drawn in real quick. Oh, man, I'm telling you, like say about 4 days, bro. Like three and a half. You know what I'm saying? 3.5 to 4 days. The trading period. I've seen Meta just rip off the open. Now, the last trading period, I believe, which was Friday, we didn't get that. And that's why we kind of had like that inside, uh, you feel me, bearishness kind of on the cues, the market overall, or at least up until the time where I stopped trading. You feel me? It's just basically, lunchtime. 'Cause that's where you see most of the volatility. Either obviously market open, and then you also get some going into the close. But I mean, can't deny it. The market's definitely been bullish. It's looking bullish. But I feel like we've been ripping a little bit too hard, in my opinion. And it's just not sustainable. You know what I'm saying? But again, I'd be looking at you know what I'm saying? This 4,600 level right here, bro. So if we do have a couple more bullish days, which I mean, we most certainly can because that's what happened last year. You feel me? So what are we in right now? And then November, there's a couple more days left. So might be a couple more days to go up here and test this 4600 before we hit it and maybe pull back and then go for the retest. Now at that point, either we hit it and reject and consolidate for the rest of the year, again like we did last year. Right here. Again, I don't know if you could see that. Right here. Let's scroll over to you. Right here. Look, November 30th. Bullish as ever. Went up and hit 4100, rejected, pulled back, went and tested it again December 13th. And then we just started selling off. Look, just bearish candles. Lower, 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 all the way back down. And then we consolidated for the rest of the year. And then we really didn't start seeing any, trending to the upside up. But my bad, dog. Missed market open, bro. Oh, shit. What we got? Okay. Uh, and look, got that move on Meta. This thing rips, like I'm telling you, all the time, bro, off the open. So that kind of can give you an idea of what the Qs might do. Not all the time, but look at this. Off the open. Every day, bro. We're interested in the SPY right now. SPY's going up to test it's that pre-market high. It's also previous close. Again, kind of early. I don't really like trading directly off the open. Look, Tesla went up and hit the pre-market high and started dumping. Meta is ripping ripping off the open, bro. Like it does damn near every day. Qs went up and tagged the pre-market high and rejected. What the fuck? Hold on. Technical difficulties as usual. Yeah. The S&P 500 kind of looks like it's coming down. Hold on, dude. Get a new chart, bro. There we go. Yeah. Good. It looked like we were closer to the pre-market lows. Like I said, most of the time when we open near or on the pre-market low, we obviously get that move to the upside off the open. But it looks like we're kind of selling off. Remember what I said, bro? Like we've been just basically ripping, bro. Look at this, bro. That's not sustainable. But if you look at, I'm saying, just go back and look at the charts from last year, bro. We were bearish in December, bro. But leading up till December, we were bullish. We're just bearish in December. And I know things are different as far as what I mean, catalysts. But in my opinion, I feel like the catalysts are even worse. You know what I'm saying? Like with the like all the conflict and stuff, like all the wars and all that, or whatever. Really get too much into politics, but inflation's still high. And on top of that, we have more conflict. You know what I mean? Like more war talk. So it's you know, the like I said, the circumstances aren't the same, but they're similar, and some can even argue that they're worse. So again, in this run up, bro, it's not sustainable, bro. I don't care, bro. Like, I mean, Santa Claus rally, I guess. I mean, buying the rumor. I guess that was buying the rumor. Let's see what happens when they sell the news. But Meta, I'm telling you, I'm gonna really start trying that. You feel me? This thing, like over and over, just rips to the upside. The only problem is you have to trade right off the open, which I don't think is a good idea. Like they're selling into it, bro. Go back to the spot. Man, market's looking pretty heavy right now, dog. Everything's pretty much on the lows. Looks like, oof, 455s would have been decent, son. I mean, damn, you have to grab them right off the open. I mean, I've done that before. Look, low a day, fresh low, fresh low. That's what I'm saying. Just go back and look at the charts, bro. We're freaking bearish as hell, bro, in December. But we're not in December yet. But, you know, I was thinking that we would at least go up and test uh this most previous high up here, this 4600. Maybe not. But now, if we can hold the pre-market lows down here, I like the long. But I mean, we're only 7 minutes into the trading period. They're trying to buy it. I like the long down here, bro. Either off of 454 or down here. But after a dump like this, let's see what happens. Looks like we're heading down still. Q's got nowhere near their pre-market low yet. And Apple's looking pretty bearish as well, bro. Look at that. Let's get some roll levels right quick. Let's say pre-market highs up here, pre-market lows here. Also like to pay attention to like where we gapped up to. I like to take those levels into consideration as well. Again, I'm not sure about this crazy candle at 8 o'clock. It does seem to hold some weight. You know what I'm saying? I like the long down here. But let's see if we go down and retest 454. What happened to that dog, man? Here's what the overall market looks like. Look at Meta. I'm telling you, bro. Every day this thing rips. I mean, that's a easy scalp off the open every day, bro. Even as the overall market, the SPY, the Qs, the Apple's looking pretty heavy right now. You got Meta just ripping on the highs on you. I'm gonna take that trade next time. What do you think? Zero DTEs? for DTEs, dude. Theta decays too much. Let's go out. Let's go out 2 days. Let me check on the stream. See how it's looking. Looking decent. Testing 1 2 3 mic check. Testing 1 2 3 mic check. Testing the levels. Testing levels. Levels are good. Levels are good. Looks decent. Hopefully it sounds decent. Of the stats. Decent. Couple drop frames. You know what I'm saying? And really I like the wait. You feel me? At least 15 minutes. But where's 455 at? Way up here, bro. I don't know, dog. And then we're still backside. Again, though, I like the long off the, off the pre-market low or near the pre-market low, but we haven't got down there yet. And that's where you have to basically determine whether you think we're going to crack it and head down or find some support and head up. Let's let things settle in a little bit. Tech's trying to make a run. Oh, Tech's, you know what I mean, it's been the biggest gainer I think this year. So whenever the market does turn, I feel like Tech's gonna have the most to give back. Only thing that could stop that is you know what I mean, the AI trend, which is a big deal. 389. It's almost like a little gap there. It makes sense why we're ripping right there. Let's put that in there, right? Major level, major psychological level, and a key level. We cracked this thing, bro. It's not fair, and we're not gonna fare too well. The Bulls aren't. About Tesla. Look at Tesla, dude. On the lows, bro. So you'd have to catch that right off the open. But damn, the 237s, if they exist. I like the long on Tesla here, bro. 33. I mean, obviously, I like the long if the market participates. You know, I don't know, son. It's like we're about to crack that. Oof. Yeah, man. Like I've been saying, bro, we just been a little too bullish in my opinion. But I mean, I could be wrong. You feel me? That's what stops are for, bro. See how we kind of came down here and consolidated, not on a pre-market low, but near it. You feel me? Check one thing real quick. Gap down. So there is a chance for almost a gap fill around 454.75. Looks like they're selling into it, bro. Give it some time. All right, so now you see the Q starting to trend up. About to go front side. Let's see if we can actually get that done. I mean, we're above VWAP to 120 in the 9, putting in some higher lows, trending up, trying to go front side. Let's see if the SPY can follow suit. Look at that rip on Meta. Scalp off of Meta. I'm doing it. I'm doing it tomorrow, bro. Right off the open. All right, so look, it's the levels here, right? That pre-market high, bro. Then your pre-market low. Where's your pre-market low? But also like to pay attention to this level right here, like wherever we, you know what I mean, gapped up from or gapped down to. You know what I mean? So those tend to be significant from an intraday standpoint. So there's your cues, trying to hold 389, and then you got the SPY. I mean, we pushed up off the open, and now we just basically, you know what I mean, faded and been consolidating, which isn't a bad thing. I mean, the longer we can consolidate down here, the more I like the long. Uh, as far as going long on the cues, I'd want to see Apple break above this pre-market high and possibly go front side. Doesn't look like that's happening right now. I even see Meta seems like it topped out. See all these wicks up here? So whenever we did push up, they're selling into it. And Meta's all the way up here, bro. But again, Meta's just been super bullish. You have to be surgical if you're talking about fade and Meta. But I kind of like the fade here though. The 338 puts. Get back over here. Back out the spot. Because we've been consolidating here. Apple on the lows. The VIX on the lows. S triple Q and success. Definitely front side. Yeah, dude. Like them 338s. Ooh, already missed them, bro. Look at that. Been a decent little trade, especially if we crack VWAP and keep coming down. Like I said, man. Uh, mm, putting in some higher lows here. It looks like the SPY is starting to try to pick up some steam here. Little, little uptrend here. Trying to go up here and test VWAP. Again, hmm. Also have the Qs trying to break above VWAP. Looks like we're having trouble. Apple's on the low a day, new low a day, bro. And now Meta's obviously we cracked that 338. And now it's kind of looking like resistance. It's really 338.25. You could have caught that scalp on Meta to the upside really quick. Bump, bump, and then caught the fade. Market's looking kind of heavy. I'm telling you, bro, last year we were bearish, bro. In December. Go back and look at the charts. I made a quick video about it yesterday. I'm gonna say 454.25. Uh, looking like a key level right now. Right here. Let's see if we can hold it. Stream check. Hold on. Let me do something real quick. My bad, dog. Trying to find some music. The longer we consolidate down here, bro, and not break down this level, the more I like the long. But we're just looking kind of heavy right now. Again, with Apple on the lows, the S&P 500 near the low of day, Meta fading ever so slightly, and the Qs basically looking to the downside off the 90 MA beneath both VWAP and the 120, and obviously backside looking kind of bearish. I mean, you'd have to anticipate a breakdown. I don't really like to anticipate. I mean, it's kind of looking, I wouldn't say inevitable, but more and more likely. Only reservations I have is, again, we're closer to the pre-market low than we are to the high, which basically means there's more room to run to the upside. But again, we were bearish around this time last year, bro. In my opinion, things are worse. You got the WARs. SPY just put in a fresh low. No, almost. I mean, might as well call it that. We're dangerously close to putting in a new low a day on the spot. S&P 500, same thing. Apple is looking like it's trying to bounce off a pre-market low. So we could, in theory, see some movement to the upside. Tesla starting to push up. Meta starting to try to push up. The Qs are basically consolidating beneath VWAP, which is a setup. It's the fake VWAP breakdown, consolidate beneath it, and then push up. I mean, the market's just looking pretty heavy right now. Kind of wishing I would have caught that fade right there. Let's see if I can find some musica. My bad, dog. Trying to blow no eardrums out, bro. Mine are the first to go. Market's looking heavy, son. Let's see what happens at 454, bro. Oof. Now we're getting close to these pre-market levels, bro. Here, 454, and that's been a major level for a few trading periods now. I like the long down here, bro. I'd like to see a little bit more proof of concept with maybe like a test, you know, a retest or something. 454.25. Acting like it wants to be some type of resistance here, bro. Market's looking heavy. S&P 500 on a nice little double bottom here. I guess you'd call that a double bottom. It's more like a consolidation station. Okay, 1, 2. It could be the long. Yeah. Double bottom. I mean, oh no, dude, you're looking a little heavy here. If we can break above all this chop. Then we also have 450, 450s here, right here by VWAP. Yeah. Break it above VWAP. All right. Let's see if we get a pullback and a retest. Boy, that was the move right there, bro. Off the open. Market's looking heavy, bro. But again, like, at this point, I feel like it'd be a chase to the downside, or you'd have to be anticipating a break, a crack of these, the pre-market low in a red day. I mean, anything's possible, but if you go back and look at last year, we're still kind of trending up at the end of November. It wasn't until December where we hit that, what was it like? I forgot what level it was. With that resistance. Like in the long here. All right, so we came back and retested this. No, a lot of consolidation. They're just selling into it. Double bottom consolidation. I mean, all right. Let's try a long here, bro.
Order partially filled. Order filled.
Let me get some risk management in place, dog. I mean, I guess you can call that a double bottom. 1, 2, with a lot of consolidation here. Man, I'm risking the freaking lower date, bro. Market's looking heavy, son. But I mean, the only thing that's really giving back a lot as far as what I'm watching is Apple. Everything else is just like flat and consolidating sideways. That was kind of a contrarian trade as far as the research I did, but again, we didn't really start seeing the real bearishness until like December, so we still have a couple of days left. And I'm thinking those couple of days might take us up to 4,600. Maybe. No, no one knows. All right. $454.50. Let's see what happens here. It's also on VWAP. All right, break above that. All right, pushing up. Okay. You know, I could actually took some profits. I still can, but I'm trying to work on letting my winners run a little bit. But up here, shoot, let's actually clean these charts off real quick. Yeah, I don't like these wicks. It's the thing, bro. Every time we try to bounce up, we're selling into it. Level from pre-market, where we gap down to. Notice how we're hitting that and wicking off of it. And then you got previous close. And then 455. I mean, I could actually take profits. Looks like we're having trouble here. Wicking. Give it some time to work. But if we don't stop looking bearish as hell pretty soon here, I'm gonna go ahead and stop out, or not stop out, but just snatch whatever profits there is left. Matter of fact, give me out.
Order cancelled.
Give me out.
Order filled.
We can always get back in, bro. But what I seen is the Qs get the previous close and look like they want to reject. Right here. Wick. Doesn't necessarily mean we won't go front side, but see profits, take profits. Look, the 455s are still in play. But I just didn't like those wicks there. $454.75. The Q's up here trying to test red to green again for a third time. We might get some power 3 action for the break above previous close and going front side, but then we also have the pre-market high right above that, and then high a day. Meta's just chopping around sideways. Apple, nice little double bottoms, looking like it's attempting to trend up. So is the S&P 500. Again, just like 455s maybe. But what's up with this? Like we're having trouble with this 454.75 here. It's just like, I mean, the 454s, that's a long fade. I think it's better for us to wait to get up here and test a level up here. Like this 455. There's a gap fill here as well. Matter of fact, I'm liking that gap fill. Oh, let me see something real quick. I'm watching the wrong chart over here. The got them linked. All right, there we go. You think gap fill to the upside? Right here. Gap fill 455s. 455s. Let's try 'em.
Order partially filled. Order filled.
Looking like some resistance there. However, it seems like we're consolidating and trying to break past it. Let's get some risk management in place here, bro. Okay, so we broke past 454.75. I'm down for the retest of it. As long as we don't pull back too far. I mean, that felt like a chase, but I'm looking at this gap fill right here, bro. So 454, basically 454.70 up to what's that? All the way up here, bro. Definitely a gap fill opportunity. And I guess that's what happened here. Okay, so right now, kind of break even on that. I like how we're wicking to the upside off the 9 now. Again, I mean, at 455, I'll be looking to go ahead and get out. That position slightly in the money. It's not December yet. No, they're selling into it. Let's see if we can hold this 454.75 key level right now on the spot. And I could go ahead and take profits here. I'm just trying to work on let my winners run a little bit, bro. So as we get up here to 455, now we could rip right past it because of that gap. But I mean, I would expect this to act as some type of resistance or something. As a matter of fact,
Order partially
let me
filled.
just go ahead and take profits.
Order cancelled. Order filled.
We can always get back in. I like the 455s again, bro. Because now we're in that gap. It's looking like we could actually maybe go front side here. Let's see if we get a pullback and a retest of like the 9 EMA or this 454.75s just for a slightly better entry. Not looking like it. Keep in mind you got the Qs on a double top here near the high of day. S&P 500 ripping. Ooh, yeah, the 455s would have been decent. Got to work on letting those winners run, but at the same time, see profits, take profits. Now we're getting up here to this triple top, pre-market high, previous close. See, I actually like the 455s to the downside right here, which would be contrarian. What you think? Go ahead and try them, bro. Did I get filled? I ain't get filled, bro. Fill me. I ain't get filled. I missed it. Fuck. Alright, cancel that.
Order cancelled.
Fuck, bro. You seen that? Alright, I like the 455s to the downside. Let me get filled. Fill me.
Order filled.
And I'm basing that off of this triple top up here, bro. I know it's contrarian. But I mean, we're near the top of the page. So either we break out and rip or we retrace. Alright, they're fighting for 455. We just cracked it. So those are in the money. Let's see if we get a substantial pullback. At least a 454.75. Maybe the 9. See these 3 wicks up here, bro? Looking like 3 rejection areas to me. Those 455s are in the money. Decent. See if we crack the 9 here. If we're cracking the 9, let me go ahead and get some risk management in place here, bro. Alright, so we pulled back and we're trying to hold this previous resistance as support. And I'm gonna go ahead and take profits.
Order partially filled.
Alright.
Order cancelled.
Can always get back in.
Order filled.
See profits, take profits. But I took that trade because, I mean, look, wicking up here, like 1, 2, 3, wicking to the downside, and we're at the top of the page. Let's see if we get continuation, or if I should have let that thing run or not. I mean, the spot. Look at the spot on the 5-minute. One, two, three. So we got that kind of like that gap fill I was talking about. We got it. $455.20. I mean, I don't know if you would actually, I mean, I'd count it as a pre-market level, but really, if we're just talking about Regular market hours would be 1, 2. See if we can get up there and test it again. And I should have let those 455s keep running, bro. All right, so it looking like we're going up to retest it again. Keep in mind we're inside that gap right now. I mean, you could gap up or down, bro. That's the tricky thing about the gap, bro. Trading in the gap. It's looking like 455 is now acting as resistance. Damn, I should have let them 455 puts ride a little more. But actually, I think I took profits. I mean, execution could have been better. It was definitely a decent trade. A green trade. A green fade. All right, so now we got Tesla starting to trend up. Tesla's trying to go front side here. That might drag the Qs up. But Apple is selling off. I wouldn't say selling off, but it just cracked the 120, the 9, and VWAP. Now it's fighting with VWAP, actually rejecting off VWAP. And I mean, VIX is on the low. SQQQ is looking like it's trying to come back to life, which leads me to believe there could be more fading in the future here. But, I mean, I'd like the fade above 455, targeting the 455 puts to the downside. So up here, I mean, 1, 2, 3. Let's see if we can actually break back above it and retest this triple top, double top. Don't look like it. Maybe I should have scaled out. I don't know. See profits, take profits, bro. Let's see what's going on around there. Three wicks up there, bro. That's what gave me the idea to go ahead and fade and flip my bias. Just really quick though. What are the Qs doing, bro? The Qs broke past the pre-market high, went up here and made a new high on the day. Now they're going backside. Good Apple. Yeah, we're coming down, kid. Damn, I should have let them run a little longer, huh? All right, now I feel like it'd be a chase. And then you got VWAP in the 120 here. You got 450, 450s here. All levels where we could bounce or find some support at. I mean, I don't really see a trade. I mean, there's always a trade, but gotta be very selective. We'll see what happens with this 120 and VWAP. I mean, honestly, like, I'd be done for the day, bro. I'm in it for the price action, bro. The screen time. Oh, we're about to dump, son. Look at that. 3 wicks. Perfect rejection off of that thing. That's why I said them 455 puts are looking scrumptious. We're selling into this thing, bro. We cracked view up and the 9. I mean, we still have 454 50s here. I mean, I'd love for us to come back up here and retest this level up here or anything above 455. So I can grab the 455s. But I mean, right now, 454s. All right, so it looks like we're going up there to retest it. Maybe not. Yeah, I should just let those run, huh? All this wicking right here too. On a 25-cent increment. 454.75. Wick. Consolidation. Double bottom. Went up and retested it. Failed to break past it. So now it's kind of looking like we might see some fading. The VIX is off the lows. That's triple Q trying to go front side here. SOX S already front side. Tesla trying to go front side. Apple is looking more on the bearish tip. See, it's like, I mean, you'd have to anticipate. All right, let's anticipate. Let's get the 454s. Just trying something here, bro. Did I get my fill?
Order partially filled.
Partially filled.
Order filled.
All right. Let's get some risk management in place. All right, so cracking the 120 and the 9. I am worried about 454 50s. Also worried about the fake breakdown of VWAP and the consolidation underneath VWAP, only to then break back above VWAP and rip. Doesn't look like that's what's happening. Let's see what happens at this 50-cent increment. It's looking like we're cracking it. Trades in the money. I mean, I could go ahead and take profits on that. I'm trying to let my winners run, bro. Let's see if we can stably. Yeah. Now we're coming down. We may come down and test 454. I don't know if I want to stick around and find out. Maybe I should just take profits. I mean, look at the SPY on like the 5-minute, bro. Look. One, two, three, reject, dump. A lot of chop right here. 454.25. Now if we crack that, there's a strong possibility we go down and test 454. Just trying to let my winners run a little bit. See. B level 454.50. I probably should have took profits down here. Let's chill a little bit. I mean, trade's still green right now, but it was a lot more green 2 minutes ago. I don't like how we're coming up here and trying to reclaim this 454.50s. Keep in mind, okay. See, now we just popped past VWAP and the 9 and might get stopped out here. Should have snatched those profits. That's why I see profits take profits. See, I don't want to get stop hunted here, bro. But I actually feel like we're going to come up here and retest this again and then reject. I don't know if that was a good idea, but I moved my stop a little bit. And honestly, 1, 2, 3, dump. If we can even trend up that far. Those 25-cent increments, bro. I'm telling you, there's something to it. Don't know what it is, bro. All I can do is observe things. Basically watch the price action and trade accordingly. Make sure the stream's right. Make sure I'm not about to get stopped out. Hold up. Testing 1 2 3. Mic check. It was almost like a liquidity grab right there, bro. But like I said, usually the grabs, it's the candle on the right that has the long wick. Yeah, no, it's a grab. Right here, we wicked all the way down and then just shot straight up. So hopefully they were just grabbing liquidity to go ahead and pull the rug. All right, I need to find my actual playlist. On what's going on? I'm scared. scared to look, bro. One, so actually we got it. 1, 2, 3, dump. I'll call it that. My only mistake is I should have took profits here. Instead, I let us come down here and bounce off this level, which I knew was going to be a significant level, 25-cent increment. Also consolidated on it for a little bit, bounced off of it during pre-market. And that's about it right here. Wick, wick, wick. Going back up here to test that. Basically break even on that last trade. Yeah, I should have took profits. I should have took profits when we swung down here real quick. I got caught in that grab. About to stop out, dude. We don't wick off this thing and dump. I'm stopping out, bro. I don't like how we're wicking to the upside off the 9 here, right? See profits, take profits. Learn from my mistake, bro. Seen the level, I had it drawn out. I was anticipating a crack of this when I should have known better, because look, all this consolidation right here. So now we have I mean, Apple's basically near the low, but near the low a day where we bounced at previously. And then you have Tesla looking like it's attempting to go front side again. The Q's basically trending up towards the pre-market high, I believe. Looks like we're having a little trouble with this level, which is why I'm still in the trade. Honestly, like, I wouldn't be opposed to letting this thing run up here and retest this double top here, and then just averaging down and catching the fade from there. Man, now I could stop out for a break even. Let's see if we get that move. Level 2's starting to pick up a little speed there. I mean, they could be spoofing that. Really, what you want to watch is the tape. All right, so definitely this trade isn't going in my direction right now. Wondering if I should just stop out. I mean, Apple's looking pretty heavy, bro. It's like it's freaking trying to go down and test near the lows, but Meta's ripping right now, bro. This thing, bro. Meta's the range king, bro. This shit's about to stop me out. I got caught on that grab, bro. Damn, I should have took profits right there. Only reason I'm still in is because I had like three or four green trades. Cause I feel like I can give myself a little bit of cushion just to see what happens when we come up here and test this triple top. Looks like we're coming up on it fast, dude. I'm about to stop out, son. You know what? I want to move my stop just so it coincides with the triple top. I think that's where it's at, where it is already. I'm not sure. $455s, 455 puts. Still contrarian right now. Give me, I missed the fill, bro. Fuck.
Order cancelled.
Damn it. Missed it, bro. Oh, that might give me another shot. Hold up. Oh, yeah. Oh, it was perfect, bro. It's perfect, dude. A nice little quick scalp look. Damn. Gotta be faster. I mean, I could set up hotkeys, but I find when I have hotkeys, I overtrade. Hold up. 54s. Alright. I'm still in the 454s though. But damn. Would have loved to grab them 455s right there, bro. Shit. Missed that, bro. Because then those would have been in the money and I could have went and just stopped out of the 454s for damn near break even, which still would have been net positive. Remember what I said? Like, I wouldn't be opposed to letting this thing come up here and retest this. We didn't quite get all the way up there, which is actually better. It means it's weaker. All right, I'm liking that wick to the downside off the 9, but you have to worry about, okay, we just cracked 454.75. We just need some follow through here, bro. Get a little bit of follow through. I can at least stop out for break even on that last trade. Damn. I'm pissed off about missing the 454. The 455s, bro. Those would have been decent. Look at that. We just dumped. Maybe I should just go ahead and stop out here for down there break even. I mean, look at the SPY on like a higher time frame. Look at this. Definitely some resistance up here. Also 455. Damn. Missed them 455s, bro. I might get another stab at it. Seems like we're moving up aggressively though. All right, we might get another stab at it. Just need us right up here, bro. Just seen a bunch of red prints. No, Apple is looks like it hit a double bottom here and it's starting to trend up. Actually the Qs are on a triple top here near the high of day. It could actually break out here. Tesla's front side, Meta's near the highs. Oof. See, I was liking the fade the first time, but now that the market seems to be trying to turn around, I'm not so sure about. Damn. Just need us to get right above 455, bro. We're bricking hard, dude. To the upside, it's a little scary trying to fade when you see price action like that. I mean, 1, 2, 3. Man, I missed it again, dude. Yeah, the Qs triple top rejecting again, bro. Damn, I wish I would have caught them 455s, dude. Man, that was sweet right there. Right there, and right there. I mean, the VIX is on the low. Now you have SOX S triple Q basically fading, which could signal a breakout here. However, the S triple Q is like on a double bottom here. See if it holds. S triple Q can hold that double bottom as support. Then more than likely we're at the top of the range. Good. I want these 455s, bro. Yeah, that's it. Hold on real quick. See, bro, them 455s, bro. What? Miss them shit, son. Well, you can't catch everything, though. I need to really be more concerned about the trade that I'm in already. Still slightly down on it. However, if you come down here and start cracking VWAP and everything, that will be a green trade as well. I mean, I could get out now for break even. But I mean, it would have been better to get out here for decent profit. They're buying it. I don't know why this volume's mostly red though. My computer has a ghost. Trying to watch this tape. And just from the time and sales, I can tell that we're trending up. Also, keep in mind, I'm not trading zero DTEs as well. I actually have 20 November 29. Just so I don't get, I mean, killed by the time decay. And look, this is the cues. Look at what the cues look like. Almost like there's some resistance out there, bro. Look at that. Right around 390. Trying to break past it right now. Oh shit. We've been up here before. Let's see what happens. Don't freak out yet. Make sure I'm not about to get stopped out here, bro. Let's go back to the spot real quick, bro. But there, see, it's also the opportunity cost. Because see, if I would have just took profits here, you feel me? I wouldn't have to be babysitting this trade right now. I could have been on to the next one, which probably would have been the long. Let's see, now we're going up here and says in 455. But, it's looking more and more apparent that I obviously should have taken profits here, but probably stopped out. Let's see, because like I said, 1, 2, 3. I still like the 455 puts if we can get back up here. Qs are on the higher day right now, though. It's the only thing that's concerning. VIX is on the low. S-triple-Q on the low. SOXS on the low. Meta is looking like it's pulling back, though. And the Qs are fighting with this. I mean, I guess you would call it a quad top at this point. And it's looking like don't pass go. Do not collect $200. On the cues. Right here. 390 20s. 390. They're buying it. Man, we're at the top of the page already. So where are you going long to? If you're going long here, that means you're anticipating us breaking out. $455s, bro. I ain't gonna lie though, the longer we consolidate it around here, like, the more my risk goes up. So we're in this gap. That's a problem. We're in this gap fill zone too. So like, you can gap fill to the upside or the downside. See if we crack this trend right here. Look at that. We wicked all the way down here, bro. And they freaking bought that thing. That shit. Fucking bullish ass looking candle, but I mean, just a wick. I mean, that's a hammer candle. And shit, that shit happened fast right there, bro. Cause I don't even remember us wicking all the way down like that. By the way, it looks like this trend's about to get cracked. All right. Okay. That's where we gotta be careful at. Where was that spot at where I got grabbed at? Right here? Yeah, right here. 454.25. Be on the lookout for that level. It's known the liquidity grab. Consider it armed and dangerous. Oh, crack this trend already, bro. Look, the Q's quad top and then rejected. Look. 1, 2, 3, 4. 390. Actually, it's a. I mean, if the Qs consolidate up here above 390, we could actually take the next leg up here, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. I mean, honestly, bro, like I like the fade from up here, bro. I like the 390 puts right here on the Qs. Let's try some. Oh no, it's not set up right. Well, that's probably a good thing. I'll just focus on what I'm in already. Yeah, them 390 puts on the Qs. I was liking. All right, crack this trend, man. Cause we freaking clicked all the way down here. They saved it. I mean, that tells me that we can go back down there. What time is it? Oh shit. You also have to take the time into consideration. It's 11 o'clock. We usually get some nice volume to the upside around this time. And I guess that's what we're seeing right now. Q's on the high right now, bro. But it's like they're selling into it. I like the 390 puts on the Qs. They keep teasing me, bro. I mean, we also could get that inverse. Playing around up here. The Qs are right near the high, bro. Now you see Apple's trying to actually break above VWAP right now. Meta's dumping though. Tesla's dumping. Tesla's about to go backside. I told you I like the 390 puts on the Qs. Gotta hurry up though. Gotta grab them right now. But this isn't financial advice. $390 puts on the Qs, bro. You sleep. Look, Tesla's about to go backside. Look at the spine on the 5 minute. Oh, these wicks up here, bro. Again, bro, like some people say wicks are tricks, bro. I'm gonna have to disagree with that. I mean, I guess it depends on what your time horizon is. If you're trading intraday and watching like a lower time frame, wicks are definitely not tricks. If you're swing trading or something, have a longer time horizon. What did I say? Grab the 390 puts, bro. You sleep, bro. What? I say I like the 390 puts. Oof. Would have been decent as we start fading. About to go backside here, bro. You'd have been printing right now, cuz. Oof. Should I go ahead and just get out for break even? Or should I wait for some follow through? I'm a leader, bro. I could never follow you. I know that would swallow you. I don't know. Disregard. I forgot. This is the wrong channel, bro. I apologize. Right here, dude. Alright, there we go. Alright, those are back, they're break even, slightly in the money. I'm not playing with it though. If we come down here again, I'm out, bro. Like what happened here, bro? Like we just wicked all the way down here for a second, bro. That was a stop hunt all day right there, bro. They're playing with it. I'm about to stop out for a break even on this last trade, bro. If we don't crack this shit like in the next 3 minutes, I'm just gonna get out for break even, bro. Actually, I can get out right now for a small gain. But I mean, we've cracked VWAP, we've cracked the 120, we've cracked the 9. Like I said, the only reservation I have is if you go back and look at the charts from last year, we were still kind of trending up. Like at the end of November, it wasn't until December where we started really seeing that true bearishness come in. Go back and look at the S&P 500. Go back and look at the end of November going into December on the daily. Hey, see, they're playing with it right here. I would think the real level's here though, at the 50-cent increment. I mean, again, doesn't matter what anyone thinks. Definitely doesn't, because I mean, I've seen the big dogs be wrong plenty of times. I think I'm gonna go ahead and just get out here for a small gain, just so I can have all green trades. What do you think? Or should I let this thing keep, see, playing with it? Oh, they're selling into it. All right, let's get some follow through here, bro. 450, 450. All right, that's cracked. Hopefully we get some follow through on that. And if we happen to trend down here, I'm out, dude. snatching those little gains. Actually, I think I'm about to just snatch that right now. What do you think? I should have let my winners run, bro. Ooh. I'm out, bro. Get me out. What the
Order
I was
cancelled.
gonna say, bro. Get
Order
me
filled.
out. I can't risk them grabbing off this level again. Even though they probably won't, because I don't think they're gonna do the same thing twice. Who knows? It's not worth it. What I said, bro. The 390 puts on the Qs, bro. Man. You would have printed right there, dog. Them things went, the Qs went backside, continuing to dump, bro. Look at this. Oh, shit. All right, remember they grabbed off this level before, bro. And honestly, like I'm done, dude. And we're going into lunchtime zone. Man, what are we anticipating the total breakdown? I just feel like we're too close to, you know what I mean? Like, actually, we're close to support. Not really close to the pre-market lows. Yeah, I spent some time trying to reinstall all my music shit. I'm almost there. Yeah, see, it's like, fuck it. We get back down here, I'm out, dude. Look, they did the same shit, bro. Liquidity grabbed off this 454 and a quarter. Qs are going front side again, but after a dump like that, I wouldn't really trust the long. Unless you're scalping. Testing, test 1, 2, 3, mic check. Straight. Testing, test 1, 2, 3, mic check. Test on levels. Levels are good. Levels are good. Oh, look, they did the same shit. Might be the fake out though. Look, clicking off the 9. Honestly, like, really see a trade here unless you're anticipating a total collapse. And that's going down to test 454. Boy, you ain't know how to play the guitar like that, huh? Let's just get some more levels put back in here real quick. I mean, pre-market high, that's previous close. So, yeah. Actually, fuck. $4.55, bro. Hey, that thing's been in action for like a week now. Ooh. Anticipate the total collapse. And 390s would have still been printing, bro. I mean, the Apple's looking pretty heavy. I don't know, bro. So is Tesla, bro. Oh, I think we might actually crack and head lower here, bro. I don't like to anticipate, bro, but seeming more and more likely that we see more movement to the downside. Well, let me see what's going on here. All right, 1, 2. Be on the lookout for those 454.25, bro. Armed and dangerous. Like, I was gonna say, if we can't come back up here and test 454.50s, then that means it's weaker, and likelihood of us actually crack it and putting in a new low is higher. I like the 454 puts, bro. I'm just scared of this liquidity grab set up here, bro. But actually, we faded too much. It feel like a chase here, but bro, we're looking bearish, son. Oh, like I'm scared of this grab level, bro. And then look at all these wicks right here. You hear that violin? I mean, actually, bro, like, there's no need for me to keep trading, bro. At this point, I mean, what's that, like 4 or 5 green trades? Like, at this point, it's just more likely I start to give money back at this point. But, it's looking like we might put in a fresh low here, bro. Like, normally, I like the long from down here. So, I mean, the situation's fluid. Remember what I said? Like, if we can't even come back up here and test 450, 450s, then we're looking weak. We haven't got there yet. Keep in mind, we're backside below VWAP and the 120 and struggling to hold the 9 EMA right now. Look at the cues, bro. Oh man. Yeah, I hope someone grabbed them 390s when I said that, bro. Again, this isn't financial advice, it's for educational purposes only. But oof. I mean, it's pretty clear there's resistance up here, bro. Like, look, 1, 2, 3, 4. Like, how much more do you need to see? Look, steadily going lower, bro. Alright, we got some grab levels here. And things would have still been printing, bro. I was about to grab them too, dude. But my charts aren't linked up right. Yes. This one's linked up just to the time and sells in the tape. My option chain, everything's linked up to my chart trader. I'm working with a limited setup. I mean, we did actually get back up there to test the 454.5. Lets me know there's still some buyers on deck. I kind of like the long here. If we can open a candle above 450, 450, like on the 5 minute or something, like we just did, I kind of like the long here. Come on now. Hey, that's what stops are for, bro. No one ever told you that? And that's what stops are for. I'm working on a remix for that. Hey, that mix though, bro. With the panning and shit, bro. Told y'all kind of like the long, bro. Now it's trying to look strong, bro. What you got, man? Like I said, yeah, I like the long hair. I like the long. I like the long. Not financial advice. It's just like we're going long to 455 maybe. That's about it. Unless we break out. I mean, at this point, there's no need for me to keep trading. Like I said, after 4 or 5 green trades in a row, bro, like it just the more I trade after that, the more likely it is that I start to give money back. You feel me? And that's just I mean, it's not a theory, bro. I mean, you can ask any trader. They'll tell you the same exact thing, dude. You know what I'm saying? Not a theory, dude. At least when it comes to me. You know what I'm saying? I can't speak for anyone else. I mean, it's just numbers, bro. Like, you feel me? Well, yeah. Anyways, I'll probably drop back in for Power Hour to see what happened. What did I say? I like the long hair, bro. But the situation's fluid. But look, Meta is above. Meta is front side. All right. Apple is backside, but look, consolidating down here. You feel me? Near support. Definitely like in the long. Look, Q's going front side here. And the SPY, I mean, trending up as well. Yeah. The long was in play here. At least up until 455 on the SPY and 390 on the Q's. Uh, Apple is looking weak, but you know what I mean? You also have to look at like this double bottom and how we're consolidating their support and refusing to go lower. So basically, we should start trending up. Once Apple starts trending up, you feel me? The Qs will definitely take that ride with it, and then you know, the SPY should as well. Again, I mean, no one really knows, bro. That's what stops are for. Right? That's what stops are for. The good times, the bad times. Looks like we just had a little dumping going on the S&P 500. Good. Hold yeah, here. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Got the green screen, son. But yeah, like I said, bro, you know what I'm saying? There's no need for me to keep trading at this point, dog. You feel me? Uh, but for those that, and don't get it twisted now, I've also seen the market trend in either direction during lunchtime, lately. You feel me? I used to take a break like at lunchtime and stuff, but I've been seeing the market trending during lunchtime, so don't get it twisted. But just for me, it doesn't really make any sense for me to keep trading. Like we're about to, I don't know, bro. But Go back in here. I'll show you one more time, bro. All right. Here's the high, the most recent high. We're just gonna call it 4,600. All right. Now here is last year around this time. All right. Look, November 30th. And then we were trending up in November. Look, November 30th, we got up to 4,100, hit it, retraced a little bit, went up and retested it again, hit it and rejected harder, and just had some bearish days there. Look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then we consolidated for the rest of December. So what I'm saying is, it's possible that we can have the same type of price action. There's a couple more days left in November, so we could trend up and tag 4,600. But then after that, I'm expecting us to reject and retrace a little bit, maybe go up and test it again, and then reject harder and consolidate for the rest of December, just like we did last year. Now, we all know, you know, past results aren't always indicative of future results, but it is something to be aware of. Right? And then if you just look at this outrageous trend right here, bro, in my opinion, it just isn't sustainable. Especially when you know people are going to be tax harvesting and all that, bro. I mean, what I'm saying is maybe we come up here and test 460 or whatever that, yeah, 460. Maybe we get up there and test that. But after that, I'm expecting us to hit it, reject, and retrace. I could be wrong. But again, bro, that's what stops are for. All right. But yeah, there's no need for me to keep trading right now. So, anyways, it's your boy E coming at you with some finance solution. All right. If you learned anything or found any value in the content, don't be afraid of the like button or even subscribe, hit the bell, and do all that algo driven type stuff. All right. All right. Peace. I might jump back on for power hour. Be there or be square, bro.